That was a good shot. Did I play it down that far? Folks, I'm back out here. It's Sandal Wood. Hoping for a better score than last time.
Hoping to go in the red figures.
Whatever that means.
Standard par this round.
Basically an identical day, except we just got a bunch of rain, so you know.
Course is sticky.
I think
Balls are gonna grip.
I'm feeling better today, you know, even though my drive just went about 80 yards into the woods. But you know, that'll turn around. You know, I think I'm gonna be able to chip better today. So stay tuned, folks.
Good shot, sir. Perfect.
Told you, folks. Well, good contact.
Not even a lie.
All right, folks. As you can see, it's a little wet. Bunch of standing water, so Ben gets a free drop. She is just soaked out here. It's the only bad part about this course. Foot long.
Go. Good.
All right.
Keaton from 80 yards or so. Good shot.
Told you I'm feeling better, folks. All right, folks. The green is just soaked. That was my chip. That's for bogey because I had a bad drive. Here's Benny. It's down ball. Not bad. Splash.
He's leaning.
I killed that. I should have hit a 9-iron. All right, folks. Here's Benny on the par 3. Come around. It's not too short. All right.
Good shot. Look. 7 feet left.
Here's Ben for birdie. About a 25-foot putt.
Oh my, slow.
They're really slow. There's literally like water like everywhere. Ooh. Lipped out.
Lipped her.
Okay, folks, we're on hole 4, or hole 3, par 4. It's kind of a come left, hit it really good. Kicks out, perfect.
Hook, hook, hook. It's gonna be right on top of mine. Watch this. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, that is cart golf.
Coming up on our balls here. Here's ours. Ben's the further one, but we must have both just hit this junk right up here and bounced in the same spot. We got about, what, 175 to go?
Go. All right, that's 40 yards short, but it's safe.
I should hit a 7. Not too bad. All right, Benny's got about 60 yards left. Get up. Oh, there's a good mushroom. Hey, little buddy. Get back here.
He just comes over a mushroom.
There he is.
He's gonna
Don't
commit
do it.
suicide.
Don't do
He's
it.
gonna jump off the...
Oh,
Oh, he's dead. Great shot. Beauty. 6 feet.
Got a par chance, folks. Oh yeah. Good chip. Got like 2 feet left.
Thanks. Keaton looks like he's got a par.
All right, folks. Got a really short par 4 here. Big dog leg, but if you can get it over that stuff just right, it sets you up just perfect. So let's see what we can do. I have no idea where it went. Heard it land. Alright. Terrible drive. I'm just going to punch her out of here.
Don't go straight backwards. Go as far as you can towards that tree without hitting it.
Ooh, there's a stump there. I don't know.
Go. Perfect.
Ooh, stalled it. Sit
That's
down,
good. They're not bad. Go. It's fine.
That
It might be
smelled
up on
so
the
bad.
green.
Alright, this is what we're talking about. Ben hit his perfect. And he's got a perfect setup here. Oh, I almost got up. Still not a bad chip.
See this
Got a pretty bad hole, so it shows you how this hole is pretty easy.
very sloped green here. Keaton's putting right off the edge of it.
Probably gonna have to kind of kill this one. Come around.
Short.
For a birdie chip. Keep moving, ball.
Turn.
Big ball.
Good putt.
That's good.
Again, I'm like the highest ball hitter there is on the planet.
Oh, don't slice.
Good.
Get left. Good contact. 60 yards, 70 yards.
It's kind of bright up there.
Ooh.
It's got to go way short.
Hit that one kind of faint. There we go.
Shot.
And for par. Oh, come down. Good putt. Oh.
make it. That's what that one did. That's why it went sideways, right? That thing literally went sideways.
The ball. At all. Ben's is killed.
See? Beauty. Oh, bomber. Perfect. Okay. Pick up your tee.
Ben with the second shot on this par 4.
Par 5, you jackass.
Par 5. Easy par 5, actually.
Shot 5 for KBA on the easy par 5, 6th. Oh, bad.
You know what I did? I don't know what I did. God, that is sick.
That's killed. Spin. Sit. Alright, good shot. Did
Ben for a birdie. Go. Oh, get in. Oh! Nice pot. Good birdie.
go.
It's so slow. Splash, splash.
Will be good. Go. Oh, it's a good shot.
On the green.
Right.
Ooh, oh yeah, it looks good. Good shot on the green.
Both.
Pretty damn good.
Look at my distance. Come here. Come straight for it.
Yeah, he's got good distance. All right.
Beauties. Keaton for birdie. Looks like he kills it, but it's just slows down so fast. It's a great putt though. Keaton, you hit your putt in the air.
I always do.
And spins. Good putt.
For birdie. 2 in a row? Question mark. That's right. He gets a par.
Holy slip.
You'll find that.
Right on top of my ball.
Both of our drives are a little right. Ben's right there. I'm a little up there. See if we can squeeze these through here. Ooh, that looks good. Hit that perfect. What, 100?
130. Stay. Stick that part.
Hey, Ben's got an eagle chip. Ooh, it's looking good, looking good. Get up.
Holy smokes, looks good. Oh, what a putt.
All right, come on, Benny. Another birdie.
Go.
Keep going. Good line.
Decent par, decent. That's my boy.
2 pars in a row. Last hole, folks. Par 4. Dog leg right. Ben hits a straight drive. Hope it's not too far. Oh, I hope that's safe somehow. All right, Ben's about 90, 90 out maybe? Oh yeah, keep coming around. Good guard.
Oh, Keaton's ball got through there. Tee boxes behind those trees. And the dog leg. Ended up on this little upslope here. Got lucky. Pitching wedge. Pitching wedge from 110.
That is so high.
That's short, but actually it might not be short. Keaton, this is your third, right?
Yep.
Looks good. Be good. Alright, not bad. You can see my ball up there.
Alright folks, shows you what we're playing with today. These greens are soft.
They don't even spin. They
Ben's got about 10 feet. I got about.
Stay up.
Get in! Oh, good par though.
3 pars to go out on 7, 8, and 9. Here's putt on the 9th hole.
Oh.
Tap and bogey. Not a bad.